What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back with another video. We're here with the Storage Stalker and the Pirate, of course. I'm always with the Pirate, but the Storage Stalker. What's up? Look at what we bought. Look at this. This thing's full to the brim. As soon as we opened it, stuff was falling out.
We found you a new way to get to work.
And our first box we actually opened, I'll show you guys over here. This is the first thing we pulled out and opened. Look at that, some ammo. Woo. Some shotgun shells. I don't know ammo myself, but I know they're pretty pricey. $1 a bullet or something. Pretty expensive. That was so dusty.
Yeah, these are gonna be very dusty here at the end. What brands you got?
This is just full of clothes. This box is full of clothes.
This ain't
This is full of clothes. That box was so heavy. I did not expect that to be closed, but that was closed.
I have a feeling this ain't paper. Listen. You hear that?
Oh.
You open the top first, see what we got in there. Okay, some pens. Don't underestimate pens, Michael.
Don't underestimate them.
Pens could be very pricey. And it's paper.
Oh my gosh.
I thought it was
money in there.
He almost had us too, huh?
All right, you kind of under, I don't know, like look at, when you read some of these, look at this right here. This one says child abuse.
Wow.
This one says
Consent
to search. Beheld something, juvenile, elder abuse,
whoa,
missing persons, CHP, DMV.
Whoa, what's going on here? Whoa. All right, some sets of cups. I'm not gonna probably unravel all of those. They're probably all gonna be relatively the same.
This is Wilson pattern. You see them like that with the 1001?
No, empty box, unfortunately.
Oh.
Empty box. Is that a BB gun?
Is that a real gun or a BB gun?
I think it's a BB gun.
Gas blowback type. Kobe.
Ooh.
Kobe.
Kobe. Ooh. Okay, box. Okay, guys, this box is super heavy. Oh, all right, it's paper. That's why. That's why it's this heavy. Some documents. What do they got in here? Let's just pull some stuff out. This is not a check.
See it real good.
Oh, can't show that.
Whoa.
Oh wow, look at that, dude.
Nice.
So we find the rest of it. Come on now. It's really a good box here. Oh, it's not brand. I mean, it's pretty new.
What is it? Oh.
Oh.
No, that's something.
And look, we got some games in here.
Oh.
PS2 games.
Baby. This is what I'm gonna do to you later. Fight Night 2004.
Some of these gotta be some pricey games, huh?
These are actually real. This is actually a cool little hit, Mike. Take a moment to
What's down here?
Final Fantasy.
Some makeup. Boom. Games found in storage unit. Oh my goodness.
Those are actually really good games, man. That was a good fun.
Hitman 2. Hey, I feel like this might be the better one. Does it come with a game too or something? Like, it says sealed. Maybe it's supposed to come with the game, but it's got the guns at least.
Okay.
Call of Duty, World at War, Hitman, MLB, The Show, Tony Hawk American Wasteland.
Do you remember when I was a kid and I loved that game? I mean, when you were a kid?
Squad X. Some of these games gotta be like
those
pricey.
are gonna not be as much.
Well, yeah, the sports ones, but like these random ones like this, like
I bet you this
Squad X.
15 to 40 bucks if out looking somewhere in there.
All right, let's see. Dad, I think it's a $10 game.
You lied. He's lying to you guys right now, trying to make me look bad. I'm gonna go with another guess since we didn't pick. I'm gonna guess that one now.
All right.
My guess is one of these three.
One of those two. That's what I said. I thought it was the Squad X for some reason. This looks like a pricey game. Hey, that one's 25. Oh, it's sealed. It's about 10 bucks. Not bad.
Try that one.
Try this one. All right. Nothing crazy. I think it's like 9 bucks. Yeah. What's that?
Ooh,
What's in here, y'all? What's in here?
You know what that is?
What is this?
Be careful.
Oh, imagine that. That could have been in there. Dang, what is that? It looks brand new. Brand new flashlight? Not brand new, but semi. It's not even in there. Never mind. Dang, holsters. Those.
Very coppish.
That's like a cop symbol.
Comment below, guys, if there's tweaker cops.
There's gotta be.
Cops are human too. Everyone does.
Everyone's a human.
Is there?
Ooh.
Oh wow.
Gas masks.
It's a gas mask? Dang. What the heck?
Let's see what's in here.
Oh, look at.
Whoa.
Even though this wasn't in there, this is still pricey. The charger to it.
Really? Oh yeah.
You want to put it on eBay, Michael? You have it put on eBay.
I'll eBay it.
Ooh. Ooh.
A fossil electric watch.
All right.
And some
more gun parts.
Next drawer.
Next drawer. Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh, this looks like it's gotta be good. Come on.
Boots.
Boots.
They're made for walking.
Come on.
Hey, those are real cop boots if I ever seen any.
Dum, bum, 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 bum. Whoa, those are
Cool.
they're sealed. Oh,
It's just stuff.
oh, there's some new sealed stuff in here.
That's probably a good eBay item.
What is this? Safari Land. What is it actually? That's the gun part?
They're actually like holsters and stuff.
Yeah, look, that's a brand new concealment holster.
Oh my goodness.
Look
Why
at
do they
this.
have all this stuff? This is all sealed and open. This is
That's
gotta be
open.
good eBay stuff. Oh yeah, that is open still.
But still, that's
Yeah.
good. That's good eBay stuff.
Bunch of gun parts. How are you? Where's the market for this? Where can we just sell this? All on eBay?
Actually, eBay, or you could, you guys do Whatnot, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't know if this is capable to put on Whatnot, but it might be.
Michael, in this great country, we have something called Amendment Number 2, the right to bear arms.
What is it?
Next door. I gotta get my knees.
Hey.
I just set you guys up.
Ooh,
Come on.
high-speed internet.
That felt a bit light. It's probably empty. Yeah, it felt a bit light.
What was that?
There's like a router.
A good one, a router.
These,
Those are Comcast. These.
it feels a bit light. I have something in here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's that one.
Oh, okay.
That was in there. Okay, not bad.
I'll take this.
I don't think these are empty.
Ah, boo. Somebody telling on somebody. Listen to this.
In the car, I wasn't better with the windows down. No, the driver's side window was up, and I think that the window to the passenger side was halfway down. Okay, so so what happened? You're standing outside the car, you're in the car, what happened then? They asked me if I was a scrap. Okay, what did you say? I was like, who wants to know? Okay. And then someone, I guess, he turned and looked, and he goes, this little dog is from Central, fuck that scrap. Okay, and what happened next? Well, because the way I was sitting down, I tried to kick him out, but when I tried to kick him, did they open the door? No, the door was already open. Okay. Okay, tell me what. And then,
Wow.
they threw a rock at me.
They threw a rock at him.
They were rocking them.
He came in and started trying to stick me. And
Oh, trying to stick him. Let me stab him.
Oh my gosh.
I was
He said I got stabbed.
So, where did you get stabbed at? My leg?
I got stabbed in the leg.
The leg? Where else?
That was crazy, guys.
Oh my God, that is wild.
That was wild.
Mike, what do you think so far?
I don't like this unit.
I
I don't
don't.
either, but we're finding a bunch of cop stuff. Listen,
We have Detective Brandon, badge number 11396.
detective something, badge number something.
2008, time is 20 hours, 25 hours. I'm sitting here with Javier Mosqueda. What's your birthday, Javier?
Oh.
Okay, what we got in here? We're gonna check a bunch of different spots. You know, this might be a cop unit now. Well, it is a cop unit for the most part, though. You know, we found a bunch of different things that add up to being a cop unit. A bunch of different sheriff stuff that link to it being one. The interrogation thing we just showed you guys. The guy was talking about his badge number and stuff like that. It's gotta be a cop. Filled up this much of our trailer. Got a bit of Alex's truck filled up too. And not too much of a dent. And then you got a box. It's like, looks like an outdoor type of like backyard like place. Look, this got like a speaker. This looks like a patio. Like setup looks like an umbrella. Looks like this is like their little backyard setup they had, and they just put it all in a box. Or something, I don't know.
These are hams, baby.
These will be
All
good.
the accessories, everything on them.
And look at the years. Look at these vehicles. Believe it or not, that's Sergeant Slaughter.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look.
You only realize that these are even better. Look
Oh,
at the
yeah.
years on them.
Look at that, 1985. That was the year I was born.
Yep.
Whew.
These are good on eBay. Just
Missing
you
a
just
track. Oh,
List
it's right
them and
here.
auction them. That kind of broke off.
Did it break
Still,
off or did it?
people can fix that though.
Okay. People,
They replaced the body.
people still want those.
That gold guy was for the snake guy you just had.
Change your diapers.
G.I. Joe and inflatable
Joe.
bed. Come on.
What? What? G.I. Joe inflatable bed.
And inflatable bed. Oh,
and.
okay, so this is an inflatable bed. We don't care about that.
Oh.
What is this? What do we got
Yeah.
here? Is this G.I. Joe?
Yes, you know what that is?
No, I
That's
don't.
Bigfoot G.I. Joe.
What's the year? I'm trying to look for a year on this. 1984. That's
He opens up
old.
and there should be like characters inside of him. Let's see.
It's empty.
Oh, it's empty.
They're empty. G.I. Joe. 1983. Don't mess them up. I'll try my
These
best.
are toys that kids used to really have to play with. 1984.
Hey, that seems like fun.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Don't break it.
Another dresser.
Check stuff.
Nightstand. Some more drawers. Let's see what we get in here.
Checks.
Checks, checks, and checks.
Hey, check yourself, fool. They're nice. Another pair. Should we open up every bank thing just in case there's some money
Yeah,
in
what
one
if
of
there's
them?
one that is signed?
100,000. No. All right.
Okay.
Drawer number 2.
Okay.
Man, what?
What is this?
Oh, a wallet.
Oh, this is what we're looking
$2
for.
bill.
Ah.
Wait, that was a Harley Davidson wallet.
Dang.
Did you see that? 1995. Boy, that's a good wallet.
$10 right
I just
there.
think you just wanted to throw it away.
You wanted to throw it away. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We're done here. We just finished loading up. Not one, but 2 trucks, trailers, whatever you want.
Storage stopper.
Empty. Guys, we're here 2 days later, finished it up. We're just cleaning up the trash. Nothing really too crazy to show you guys. We got a little bit in the back. Just pretty much putting this in there. And catch you guys later.